Hey everyone, welcome to another DelphStack tutorial. Today we'll explore how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. If your document has unexpected spacing or strange alignments, tab stops might be the cause. First, click anywhere inside the paragraph that has tab stops, then go to Format at the top. Hover over Align and Indent and select Indentation options. In the window that appears, check the settings under Special Indent. If any tab stops are causing issues, set them to none and adjust the left and right indents as needed. Once you've adjusted or cleared these settings, your text will align clearly without any unwanted tab stops. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly fix formatting issues caused by tab stops in Google Docs. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Google Docs tips on our channel. Thank you for watching.